Hello guys, good morning. I'm Bhav Sharma from LaWeberTube. Today, I'm going to show you a science working project on energy conservation. In this project, we are showing a small model in which a small model of windmill. Now, when the wind when wind rotates this, it converts wind energy into mechanical energy and it convert mechanical energy into electric energy with the help of this dynamo. Now, when wind rotates this, the mechanic it convert wind energy into mechanical energy. Due to that, this hand pump runs. Now, further, with the help of this pulley and dynamo, the mechanical energy is also converted into electric energy, due to which this bulbs grows. This bulb grows. They will grow in both ways. Now, hope you like my this science project. Thank you.